18 gorgeous houseplants that thrive without sunlight. While all plants require some form of light for photosynthesis, even if artificial, many houseplants have adapted to thrive in low natural light or indirect sun conditions. Here are 18 gorgeous options perfect for brightening dim corners or rooms with minimal natural light. Top low-light houseplants. ZZ plant Zamioculcas zamiifolia. Known for its glossy, dark green leaves, the ZZ plant is nearly indestructible and can tolerate very low light or even just artificial light, making it ideal for offices or dark bedrooms. It stores water in its rhizomes, so it's very drought-tolerant. Snake plant Dracaena trifasciata, also called mother-in-law's tongue, this architectural plant with vertical, sword-like leaves comes in many varieties and is famous for its resilience and ability to purify the air in low-light conditions. Cast iron plant Aspidistra lacere, a true tough-as-nails plant. It was a Victorian staple because it handles deep shade and neglect very well. Its lush, dark green leaves add an elegant touch to dim areas. Pothos epipremnum aureum, often called devil's ivy. This versatile vining plant is extremely popular due to its adaptability to nearly any light environment. It looks great in hanging baskets or trailing from shelves. Peace lily spathiphyllum, known for its elegant white flowers, actually leaf bracts and dark green foliage. The peace lily is an air purify powerhouse that thrives in low to medium indirect light. Chinese evergreen aglaonema. This plant offers a wide array of colorful and variegated leaves, splashes of silver, pink, or red, and adapts beautifully to low light. The darker the leaves, the less light it needs. Heartleaf philodendron heteroecium. With romantic, heart-shaped leaves, this fast-growing vine can create dramatic cascades in your space. It handles low light well, though it may become leggy if the light is too dim. Spider plant Chlorophytum comosum, an easy-to-grow, pet-friendly option known for its arching leaves and little spinnerets, baby plants that dangle down. Parlor palm Chamaedorea elegans, a classic, slow-growing palm that adds a tropical feel and tolerates low to moderate light. Dracaena spp, a diverse group. Many varieties, like the dragon tree or corn plant, are well suited for low-light conditions and add height and architectural interest to a room. Maidenhair fern adiantum. This delicate-looking fern with small, fan-shaped leaves thrives in shade, but requires consistent moisture and high humidity to prevent drying out. English ivy Hedera helix, a tough and versatile trailing plant. English ivy does well in cool, low-light spots and can be trained to climb or cascade. Calathea spp, known for its stunning, ornate leaf patterns and colors, the calathea, also called the prayer plant, prefers a warm, humid environment and indirect light. Begonia rex. Rex begonias are grown for their spectacular, colorful foliage, which comes in various shades of silver, pink, and burgundy. They do well in low to medium light. Nerve plant Phytonia albivenes. This small, creeping plant with intricately veined leaves, white, pink, or red, needs high humidity and bright indirect to low light, making it a great terrarium plant. Bird's nest fern Asplenium nidus, a beautiful fern with large, wavy edge fronds that grows from a central rosette. It thrives in shady, humid locations. Monstera deliciosa. The popular Swiss cheese plant naturally grows under rainforest canopies, making it suitable for indirect light indoors. Provided with filtered light to prevent leaf burn. Lucky bamboo Dracaena sandriana. Not a true bamboo. This plant is often grown in water and pebbles and tolerates low light conditions very well. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content about creating a beautiful and positive home, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy planting and may your homes be filled with good fortune. Bye for now. Thank you for watching.